Time to serious up. We have the heat advisory now in effect for today and tomorrow. I mean, technically it goes into effect later this morning. And then we have the red flag warning. So the heat advisory is everything in orange. This does not include Cowlitz County, does not include the immediate beach areas. Cowlitz County, for example, 93, maybe 94 at most. It'll still going to be hot. It's not going to be mid to upper 90s, or not upper 90s anyway. And then in red, which near Seattle and comes all and includes Cowlitz County, comes all the way down toward Medford. That is the red flag warning, which is for high fire danger, which certainly makes sense with the rising temperatures, and we're very, very dry out there, right? Okay, not a lot of changes, a little tweak here and there to my forecast numbers, and that's it. But let's talk about the heat advisory temps. From Albany to Vancouver, 94 to 99 today. Tomorrow, 95 to maybe we see a 100-degree spot. Coast Range, Cascade Foothills also included. Both days at least upper 80s to like Sandy will probably be low to mid 90s over the next couple of days. Want to show you the wind futurecast track as well. This is today at 5:30. Again, the arrows pointing this way would bring wind in from the northwest. And some typical late day breezes. Shows a spike gust in Portland of 22. Later today, it shows a west wind light in the gorge, and then I'll play this into tomorrow morning. Now we've got more of a variable pattern, kind of northeast in the gorge. There's an east wind in Gates, but there's a southwest calm wind in Estacada, a light northwest wind coming into Hillsborough and Portland. And then during the afternoon, as heating takes place, westerlies will kind of pick up once again. Coated in yellow, that's a breezier day tomorrow with more 20-mile-per-hour wind spikes in the afternoon than we will see today. And with the winds picking up at the beach from the west more so tomorrow, today could end up being the hottest temperature right at the coast itself in this two-day run of the warm to hot weather. All right, here's the Wells Fargo view. Could be a little bit of smoke mixed in because I'm not really seeing much in the way of any cloudiness in the satellite imagery. 67 degrees is the temperature. Our smoke map does include, now the pale blue colors, just enough haze to notice, and that we are picking that up with some thicker wildfire smoke in yellow now starting to pick up in parts of Washington state. Here are the temperatures, and then we're going to run you through the forecast numbers really quick. 59 in Salem, 54 in Kelso, 49 over in Astoria. If you're at the beach today on this July 4th, could be upper 70s to 80 in spots. Otherwise, Pacific City and Newport 65 to 69 degrees. Out in the gorge, we're watching carefully. Hood River 93. The Dow's getting close to 100. It was 96 out there in Wasco County yesterday. And here come the 7-day numbers. 97, 98. Today would tie the record. Tomorrow would break the record. Still 90s on Thursday, then cool 80s starting on Friday. We'll be back on a July 4th morning in just a moment.